dinsanga to the ring, ladies and gentlemen, please. Okay. Welcome. Let's go.
So our second fight, Battle in the Kingdom, is ready to go. It's going to be Sam Cox of the UK against dinsanga. The man from India is so good, they named him twice. Can he impress here and make his mark? The man from India coming in at Super Bantam, 12-0 with 7 KOs. Sam Cox naturally a Bantam.
Let's go, action.
He comes in here 7-0 with a couple of stoppages as dinsanga tries to land a big right hand early.
Let's go, guys.
Looks like there could be a ferocious pace from the outset here. Cox with a swing and a miss, allowing dinsanga to go back on the attack. Another wild one from Cox as he just loses his footing.
And now we're cooking.
You can tell the excitement levels in the ring as much as those at ringside.
Yeah, top of the jab first. Go down. Go down. This one's going up. It's cooking. Nice shot. Brilliant shot. You got to jab your way in those, Dan. You're looking for the big shot. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's entertain, boys. Oh, goddamn. Go. Yep. Keep the walk, keep the smoke. Get busy. Oh, goddamn. Oh. Come on. Keep going. Oh. Man, no. Don't kill him, man. Oh, nice work.
I'm here with Queensberry Promotions, Frank Warren. Now listen, you have a big event, obviously, Dillian White, Moses Atama. But do you have it in you to even witness all of this with all of that excitement going on tomorrow night?
Yeah, I'm interested. I've never been to one of these before, so come along to see what it's about, and everybody's into it. It's good. See all these youngsters. It's been well supervised, so I understand. So it's brilliant.
Well, you're a promoter, and this is only the second one, but they brought it out here to Saudi Arabia. Are a little bit in you saying, let me look at these guys and see who I like?
I'm a promoter. That's what we do, of course. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, and it's interesting. Look, boxing's developing out here. It's been a couple of years, and it's come on to amateur level in leaps and bounds. And I think it's only a matter of time before the investment and the time that's put in that they're going to get some stars here in their own right, some Saudi boxing.
Right, so what do you think we're going to get tomorrow night? What are we going to see as fans?
Fireworks.
Let's go.
Great fights. Really good competitive matches. There's 4 fights on there that are main events in their own right. And what you're going to see is some good quality matchmaking and fights.
Thank you very much, Mr. Frank Warren.
Get that work. Come on. Oh, goddamn. Oh, motherfucker, what the hell?
Well, great to hear from Frank Warren, and the action is really heated up while the Queensberry founder was in full voice.
No way.
And I wouldn't be surprised if the fighters know that he's in the building. What an opportunity to impress. And certainly both men leaving it all out there in that second round.
We cooking. Goddamn, we cooking.
You can see why dinsanga has quite a number of stoppages on his record. He's wild and reckless at times, but he lets the hands go. So nearly set for the third and final round of bout 2. Sam Cox and dinsanga. about to go.
Come on, guys. Let's finish up.
They set quite a pace in the opening 4 minutes of this one. Don't expect anything less here.
Yeah, buddy.
Dinsanga again with those wild hooks. Cox has started to set his feet a little bit more in the second round. He's ragged in the opener.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Just a slight issue with the headgear, and not surprisingly, the Indian has rattled those hooks in upstairs and caused the Brit a few problems at times.
Banging out.
Cox again takes a couple of strong shots upstairs. The man from Islington just having to hang on a little bit as again Dinsanga firing in with plenty of purpose. They're not mucking around here. Cox managed to get a counter in, but he's taking plenty of punishment and then gets in a cheeky little left-hander on the break. Been doing most of his work in Dubai, Sam Cox. But this is chance to impress the watching scouts and promoters as the heads come close together. Another little bit of a wild and ungainly one from Cox. Managed to find a straight right, but Dinsanga is landing with all sorts here. Cox is backed up. May not see too much more of this, and he'll be hoping to hear the final buzzer at this point. The Indian is letting it all go. Absolute windmill stuff here from Dinsanga. And a bit of razzle-dazzle showboating as well. It's not just about the ability in the ring, the ability to entertain and put on a show. That's what will be remembered, and when they are thumbing through the records looking for a representative on a Ring or Riyadh season card, maybe the man that they named twice will pop up in conversation as he goes back to work. A solid right hook and then a stiff jab followed it up, and again that straight right with the low guard. He's starting to enjoy himself in there. Cox managing to land with a couple, but it's sporadic attacks from the Brit. Again, a big right hand from Dinsanga. Great work, great fight, and now time to hear from another great fighter, Lawrence Akoli.
Used to be champion at cruiserweight a couple of years ago. This is 2023. This guy's 260 pounds right now. Lawrence Akoli, what's up, champ?
Good, happy to be here. I need to get down to 250. We'll do it though, don't worry.
My goodness, but you're looking sharp as ever, and I'm so excited that you came all the way out here.
I stay consistent, because in life you're going to get people that say you can do it, people that say you can't do it, whatever, but it's got to be within yourself. And you stay on the path, and the consistency will pay off long term.
And when we're doing that transition from one division to the next, it's not easy. But yet, you've been able to get a lot of success. And tomorrow we have big guys. Are you scouting?
Of course. Of course. Since I moved up from cruiserweight, won the Bridgeweight world title, moved up to heavyweight, I'm looking to be a freeweight world champion. So everyone that's boxing at heavyweight is someone that I keep a little eye on just in case.
A little eye?
A little eye on.
Yeah.
I feel like anyone that you see at the or near the top at the moment is a potential opponent at any day. Especially with what the ring's doing, with what Riyadh's doing. It's like it'll just be you and you fight each other. So,
you never know.
Before we go, prediction tomorrow night.
I think it'll be Moses mid-round stoppage. I do.
Can't lift it up that high.
Sam Cox has offered a little bit more in this round, but still it's the Indian Dinsanga who's dominated for the most part with the most meaningful shots and also a certain swagger about his work.
Last 25.
Cox just trying to get out of the way, but Dinsanga is all on the front foot. He digs that lazy left hand, a little bit Prince Nassim-like as he dances around. And it's been pretty impressive, Dinsanga. And this is exactly the kind of performance that you need to put in here.
Last couple seconds and time!
Great action.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
And a fabulous display from the Indian, who you could be hearing a lot more about.